I am thinking about me and you. I'm thinking about us. I'm not certain if there is me and you, or either us. I cannot lie. It hurts. Welcome to the world of broken hearts, emotionally. I told you from the start, I do not play. I dislike wasting my time. You promised me the world. Now you're out there on a dinner date with him. Tell me, how should I feel? Tell me lies. Tell me lies. Do you still love me? Or at least care? I'm lying on bed, looking at our pictures. Oh girl, I have to admit, I am teary. This shit hurts. I can feel it inside. Are you wearing my favorite lingerie? How many drinks have you had now? I am calling you. I presume your phone is on silent. After the dinner date, are you going to his place? Will you dance for him while wearing the Italian lingerie? Show him your precious smile. Be naked and ride him like you used to ride me. Switch off the lights. Give it all to him. You can have it. You can have him. I wish we could switch. Be on my shoes. Feel what I feel right now. Now switch. This is Switch by Marshall Makhubo.